Hi, welcome back to Unit 2, Language. This is Lesson 8, Articles. You'll find this information in your textbook on pages HB 63 through HB 65. Articles are words like a, an, and the that appear before a noun to indicate whether something is general or specific. Use a or an with nouns whose specific identity is not known to your audience. I'm reading a great book. Use the with nouns whose specific identity is known to your audience, whether the noun describes something specific like the new book by Dave Eggers, or is something you've mentioned. Beverly is almost finished writing her book. The book will be published next year. Sometimes no article is needed. Books are now available in print and online. You use a or an before singular count nouns referring to something that's not specific or that you're mentioning to your audience for the first time. Count nouns name things that can be counted. 1 book, 2 books. Use a before a consonant sound like a tangerine or a university. Use an before vowel sounds like an orange or an hour. An apartment near campus might be rather expensive. This sentence is referring to any apartment that's near campus, not a specific one. I put a carrot, some tomatoes, and a little parsley in the salad. This carrot is being mentioned for the first time, so it's preceded by an a. You don't use a or an before a non-count noun. Non-count nouns name abstract ideas like respect or curiosity, and liquids and masses that cannot be measured with numbers. These are things like milk, sand, or rice. Our team could use some encouragement from the coach doesn't take an article. But if we said our team could use a word of encouragement from the coach, then it's appropriate to use the article a. Use the before any nouns whose identity is clear to your audience and before superlatives. Mondo ordered a cheeseburger and French fries and asked for the burger to be well done. The is used because it refers to a cheeseburger that's already been mentioned, the one that Mondo ordered. His friends had raved about the fries at this restaurant. The specific fries are identified. They're the ones at this restaurant. His friends were right. These were the best fries he had ever eaten. The is used before a superlative. These were the best fries ever. Use the with most plural proper nouns like the Adirondack Mountains, the Philippines, or the Dallas Cowboys, and with singular proper nouns in the following categories: larger bodies of water like the Arctic Ocean and the Mississippi River, government bodies like the U.S. Congress or the Canadian Parliament, historical periods such as the Renaissance or the Tang Dynasty, landmarks such as the Empire State Building or the Taj Mahal, regions like the East Coast, the Middle East, or the Mojave Desert, and with religious entities, texts, and leaders. For example, the Roman Catholic Church, the Quran, and the Dalai Lama. No article is needed before non-count nouns such as salt, imagination, happiness, and plural count nouns like ideas or puppies when they refer to something in general. Milk and eggs are on sale this week. Information wants to be free. Be less curious about people and more curious about ideas. Brand and curé refer to information and ideas in general, not a specific kind of information or specific ideas. No article is needed with most singular proper nouns, such as Barack Obama, Lake Titicaca, or Yosemite. Let's recap. We looked at when to use general articles like a and an, and when to get more specific with the. And finally, we discussed when to skip the articles altogether. Be sure to check Canvas for a quiz on articles. I'm not covering the section on words for building common ground or the different Englishes in a video, and I haven't assigned any Canvas quizzes on that material. However, they may show up on the Unit 2 post-study quiz. Just refer to your textbook if you need help with those questions. Wahoo! This is the end of Unit 2 Language. It's time to take the post-study test. You've done all the lessons, so you're ready, and you can use your notes. Good luck! Let me know if you need help. Thanks for tuning in for Lesson 8 on articles. And as I say at this point in every video, thanks to Slides Carnival and Unsplash for their help with my slides template. See you next time for Unit 3, Punctuation.